How do you add a custom CSS code to a WordPress blog theme? Well, in the classic theme, adding a CSS code is as simple as going to the appearance menu, go to customize, and then click additional CSS. But how do you do that on the WordPress blog theme given that the customize option is missing? Well, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can add a custom CSS code to any WordPress blog theme. So let's dive in. Alright, now I'm in the WordPress dashboard. To add a custom CSS, you must first go to the appearance menu and then click editor. And that will bring you to this page. You will have the option to select a specific page or template in case you want to edit them as well. But it doesn't really matter because at the end of the day, this CSS code would still be applied globally to any page. But then again, it's also useful if you want to, let's say, preview the page when the CSS code is being applied. So let's say I can visit my page here. I'm going to click on this page. And after that, the system will basically refresh and give me the preview of this page. You can click anywhere to open the Gutenberg editor right here. And after that, go to styles, click additional CSS, and here where you can add some custom CSS code. So let's say I'm going to add a custom smooth scroll effect in WordPress. I'm going to just copy and paste the code here. And I'm going to click save and then save again. So just to give you some context, the code that I just applied to my website will give a smooth scroll effect when I'm jumping to a specific section on my page. So this is what it looks like before. When I click here, it will just jump to this section and it's just so jaggy, it's not smooth, and it's less aesthetic compared to if I apply a smooth effect. So let's see what it's going to look like after I apply the code. So let's preview the page. So when I click on this button, it will glide smoothly to this section. This is a lot better than the previous one because it will give a much better impression to the visitor. It just looks nice and giving smooth transition to text section without suddenly jumping to a completely different section. So anyway, this effect is called jump link. If you want to learn more about that, you can click on this video and I'll see you there.